Hey guys, what's up? My name is Laura El Hour. Thank you so much for stopping by. I know how frustrating it can be dealing with premature ejaculation. What if I told you though, that it doesn't have to be a permanent condition? That it could be resolved in just a matter of 5 weeks. That's right. In just 5 weeks, I can teach you how to control your sexual energy so that you have enough skill to ejaculate when you want, on demand, so to say, or not ejaculate at all, but experience full-body multiple orgasms. In this course, you will learn secret tantric ways of controlling your ejaculations, as well as secret Taoist ways. So when you combine the two approaches, you become invincible. There is nothing wrong with your physical body. It's your mind that needs to be trained to create new pathways for sexual energy. We're all conditioned that there is only one outlet for the sexual energy, which is through semen release, right? But I'm here to tell you that this is the least desirable way. With ejaculation, you lose all the sexual energy you just produced. Then you get tired and sleepy and no desire to continue, right? Your glands and your brain contribute the best of the best to produce a new portion of semen to conceive a baby. But what happens most of the time is the baby is not made and the sperm just gets thrown away. So your body has to produce a new portion of semen for just in case, for continuation of species, so to say. How many times do you remember you ejaculated when you were young? I heard some guys tell me up to 11 times in one night. So you deplete yourself over and over again, year after year, decade after decade, until one day you have your oops moment. Yes, our bodies are absolutely magnificent. They can do so many things, and they put up with so many things, but they cannot go on depleting themselves forever. Something has to give to keep you alive. And to preserve your valuable life force energy, your body is reluctant to perform anymore one day. So the inevitable question comes to mind, what do I do now? Well, the best thing is to stop ejaculations and start conserving your livelihood by experiencing multiple orgasms without the ejaculation. You see, orgasms are not the same as ejaculations. Most people think they're one and the same because they happen so close to one another. But the truth is, they're two different bodily processes. And the good news is that you get to have your multiple whole body orgasms without the ejaculation. Come study with me and I will teach you how.